Well, yes, I think the last 4 overs, when we are bowling, before that, the bowlers had done a really good job. We just needed to close in nicely. Last 4 overs, we would have bowled slightly better. Batting has been a bit of a worry. And I think today also it was very evident, and I feel we need to do something about it because we can't just keep turning up, and almost it's the same thing that is happening. Maybe the individuals are different, but I think we are better off playing the other way around where you look to play the bigger shots. And even if you get out, it's fine, because we can't really leave too many after the 16th over or the 15th over. So that just puts some extra pressure on the batters, who are batting low down the order. So that is something that we can do in the coming games, but it's something we have to look at.
Yeah, we were talking about a bit on commentary that there were certain moments in the run chase that lacked intent at the crease, we felt.
Well, I think it also depends on how you have performed so far in the tournament, and I feel our batting has lacked a bit of you can say power in the more from the 6th over onwards. And I feel at times individuals can get a bit of tentative, no matter how much confidence you are giving them. Ultimately they need to go out and have their own plan as to what is their shot that they would like to play against the specific bowlers that they would be facing. So I feel that's where we have not maybe adapted ourselves, or we have not come up with plans as to how we will really look to go after the bowlers will be bowling from 6 till maybe the 14th over.
Yeah, and moving forward, mate, to give the batsmen and even the bowlers the confidence after a few losses, how do you tell them to go and play like that?
Well, again, I always told the players, that focus more on the process, because when you start looking at the results of the previous game, or when you start thinking about the result of the next game, it really puts extra burden on yourself. And what is important is to follow the process. And I feel when it comes to our bowling, we have shown that, we can restrict the opposition. Either we are giving too many in the first 6 or we are giving too many in the last 4. It's just that there are too many holes in the ship, and, you keep plugging one or the other, and, the water is flowing from the other side. So I feel we need to get our act together. Everything needs to work in the same game to get the desired result. And I feel once we get a few results in our favor, it will be slightly different for us.
And finally, MS, the spinners did such a wonderful job for you guys last year in Chennai, and obviously conditions are different here. And you like to stick with your guys and give them, constant selection and give them faith, I suppose. Are you confident you've got the squad that can play good cricket in these conditions?
Well, I think overall you have to look at the combination. What's the number of spinners that you're looking at, how fast bowlers are bowling. As I said, there's one spot where we can always play around. It's available for grab. Initially we started with only 5 bowlers, but now we are featuring 6 bowlers. But that is something we can do again in the next game. We have that one position that we can swap with a foreign bowler or an Indian bowler, but our main worry still remains the batting department, where we have not been very consistent. And I feel in the coming games, we'll try to be slightly more expressive on the field, rather get out on the 17th or the 18th over, rather than, having wickets. But at the end of the 20th over, you don't really have enough on the board.
Well, thanks for your time, mate, and